Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. It is 15th of December today and we are going to open box with number 15 on it from the Janie's Countdown box. Before we do that, I would like to share, you probably notice what I have behind me, and I have these two patchworks that look like gemstones. This one I think is amethyst, and this one is emerald. These are made by me using patterns from Jane. Is it Jane Kinman? Oh gosh, I don't remember. MJ Kinman. So these are made from kits by MJ Kinman, the Birthstone series. Anyway, that's something I work on. I did make a video how to make one of those, so you're welcome to have a look at it. Well, like and subscribe, and let's have a look at number 15. Yeah, there's not so many boxes here or packages in here anymore, so it takes much quicker to find one. Number 15. Well, I thought it was a mug, but we had a mug earlier on 5th of December. Yeah, I have it all written here. So, let's have a look what's in here. It does look like some sort of box, and it has a mug shape or a glass or a tub. Okay. Of course it has a Missouri star on it. Sweeties. Let's have a look. Oh, look at those colours. Right. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness me. It's like a magic hat of a magician. Things keep coming out of it. Can you imagine that all these fit in this box? Well, it did. Alright, so what do we have here? These look like fingertips, and they all different sizes. I wonder what they're for. Could it be like, you know, like a non-sticky thing, so you use, instead of like some people have gloves to quilt, have these on your fingertips instead. There's a big one as well. So, no, that's very big. Alright, there we go. Oh dear. Have you watched Dexter? That's what it reminds me of. But yeah, if this is what they're for, they're really cool. So it's non-slip, very nice and grippy. Alright. Let's have a look. Ooh, don't want to lose any. Okay. Next. I've never seen these before. It looks like you can slot them into each other. What would they be for? Is it for spools? Look at that. If I do that, what would it be for? Let me know in the comments if you know what they are. I have no idea what they are. I've never seen them before. Now these, I've seen these. These are for spools to make sure threads don't get unraveled. They look very nice. And these look like tiny pegs. I would imagine I've never seen this before, but I would imagine these are for bobbins. Looks like they can be for bobbins. Just put the bobbin in there and they will hold very well. They look like little pegs. There's lots of them. And these, I also am not sure what these are for. Obviously to hold something. Maybe you can put like several pieces of fabric and like organize, so you clip a few pieces of fabric together and then just grab them, I guess. Yeah, am I right? Please comment. Okay, wow, this is very useful little things. In a very useful tin. So, it's day 15. And it's only 10 days left till Christmas. Wow. Well, I will see you tomorrow when we open number 16.